So to get a yellow circle around your cursor, you need to download Real World Cursor Editor. I will give the link in the description below. I already have it downloaded, so let's see how we do this. So we go to Real World Cursor Editor, click on that, and then we go here, create, and over here, new cursor editor, double click. From there we select this one. Make sure that the fill color and secondary fill color are all white colors. Using this thing you can actually increase or decrease your arrowhead size and arrow tail size. So give OK because both are white. From here you go and select move from the drop down. You keep it in the middle. From this one you select ellipse and then select circle. You go here and do something like this. As you can see, from this side you can actually change the color. You can actually make it some other colors. So in our example we'll keep it to yellow, and then you can also preview it over here. Then what you do, you save it, Control S. In my case I'll save it in the desktop, so let's name it yellow. Okay, so we have this one, start menu, and then we write how mouse pointer looks. So I click this one, we go to the pointer, and then we go to browse, and we're gonna go to desktop because we have saved our yellow cursor on desktop. Click yes, and then open, apply. Now as you can see, we've got our mouse pointer around yellow background. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe and like the video. Thank you.